Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, December 29th. The essay I'm going to read for you today from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo is titled Practicing. Breathing is the fundamental unit of risk, the atom of inner courage that leads us into authentic living. With each breath, we practice opening, taking in, and releasing. Literally, the teacher is under our nose. When anxious, we simply have to remember to breathe. So often we make a commitment to change our ways, but stall in the face of old reflexes as new situations arise. When gripped by fear or anxiety, the reflex is to hold on, speed up, or remove oneself. Yet, when we feel the reflex to hold on, that is usually the moment we need to let go. When we feel the urgency to speed up, that is typically the instant we need to slow down. Often, when we feel the impulse to flee, it is the opportunity to face ourselves. Taking a deep, meditative breath precisely at this moment can often break the momentum of anxiety and put our psyche in neutral. From here, we just might be able to step in another direction. I'm not talking about external moments of anxiety here, but inner moments of truth. Certainly, when an accident is unfolding, we need to get out of the way. When a loved one falls, we need to try and hold them. But rather, I'm talking about fear of love, fear of truth, fear of God, fear of change and the unknown. I'm talking about how we all grip so tightly to what we know, even if we hurt ourselves in the process. Dropping all we carry, all our preconceptions, our interior lists of the ways we've failed and the ways we've been wrong, all the secret burdens we work at maintaining, dropping all regret and expectations lets our mentality die. Dropping all we have constructed as imperative allows us to be born again into the simplicity of spirit that arises from unencumbered being. It is often overwhelming to imagine how we can change our entire way of life. Where do we begin? How do we take down a wall that took 25 or 50 or 70 years to erect? Breath by breath, little death by little death, dropping all we carry, instant by instant, trusting that what has done the carrying, if freed, will carry us. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breathing, completely natural. Just see if you can find some spaciousness in your breath so that all the sensations of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are without struggle. Now take a moment to imagine that you are in your safe space. Is it indoors or outdoors? Is it big or small? What sounds do you hear? What does it smell like? What does it feel like? Inhabit this place fully with all your senses. And now think of the latest situation that made you anxious. Ask yourself, what specifically made me uncomfortable? In this tensing, what did I cling to in my mind? What was I trying to hold on to? Now place both your discomfort and your clinging before you. In the safe space, drop what your mind clings to. It cannot help you now. Repeat this several times while breathing slowly and deeply. Breathe in and out, in and out. And now feel in detail what arises in you without the discomfort or the clinging that you just let go of. This is your connection to the universe. This is God in you. Honor it. Now place your hands on your heart and send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice. Scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect a little more on what makes you anxious. When you become anxious, what exactly makes you uncomfortable? What is it that you try to cling to, hold on to? Can you start relaxing this grip of clinging, breath by breath, moment by moment, so that you can get to the very core of your being, where there is no discomfort of clinging, where there is only that which makes you one with the whole universe. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.